Mare. Ang hirap-hirap pakainin ni Bebe Girl. Ayaw niya ng fruits, ayaw niya ng vegetables. Ang daming gusto. Gusto cake, sweets. Hindi naman nutritious yun, Be. Ano ba sikreto mo? Si Junior napapakain mo agad.
So madali lang, Mare. Try mo to. Ta-da!
Ano yan?
Coca cake.
Coca cake?
Yeah, coca cake. Cake made of kangkong. It's so delicious and so nutritious. Kaya mapapakain mo talaga si baby girl yan. Try mo! Sure.
Delicious.
Sarap! Kongka cakes. Kongka cakes.
Sarap, pare. Titigil ka kay Baby Girl.
Sure.
Gawa tayong bago.
Tara!
Let's go. I'm for you.
Hi, baby girl! Wow, cake!
Yes.
Sarap!